Hi. I gotta get you cleaned up.
Well, howdy, Paloma.
So I'm still sick. Lo is napping right now, so I'm taking the time to do, well, attempt to do some genealogy research. I think I found my great-grandfather's grave, but I'm not sure because I don't have a lot of information to start with. I pretty much have names, and I'm in a rough idea of years born, and that's pretty much just a guess based on when my grandmother was born. So that would be his daughter. So I had to guess who was probably born in the 1930s because she was born in the 1950s. And I think I found his grave, and mostly I'm looking for his wife now, but I can't seem to find anything at all. It's really challenging. Wish me luck though. I'll see you guys again when Lo wakes up from her nap. So I actually just got confirmation from my mom that that is in fact her grandfather's grave. So yay! I'm making progress. Woo! Oh, poor thing. She's so tired. Poor tired, sick toddler. Oh, come on. Wake up. I know you're so tired. And see, come on. Oh, you really are tired because I turned off your noise machine and you're still sleeping. Alright, come here. Oh. Alright. Oh, look at that face. Oh, okay. Oh. I got you. Okay. Oh, I got you. Did you know I found the names of your great grandparents today? No, you didn't know that because you're just a toddler and you have no idea what I'm saying. Did you know that your great grandfather was born either probably 1900 or 1899? That's what I found out. And his name was Earl. Terrible name, right? Earl. But that's your great grandfather. Isn't that fascinating? And he was born in Illinois. Alright. You want to play with your eggs? We've lost some more. I think. Yeah, there's one right there. And I think someone under there. Yep. Okay, we really gotta clean. But probably not today, because I'm still sick. So these are fascinating because they have a certain amount of pegs. This one has 10 pegs. And this one has 10 holes for 10 pegs. Beep. Ta-da! Amazing, right? Alright, bye. Baby, let me see your hand. You were eating your crunchies. Oh, come on, let me see your hand. Let me see your hand. Okay, let me see your hand. Okay, let Mama see your hand. Okay, hey. Relax. See the little mark on your finger? I think you bit your own hand. I think you bit your own finger when you were trying to shovel crunchies in your mouth. You were so busy trying to eat them. Oh, that you bit yourself. Okay. Hey, here you go. You don't have to eat them right now. I'm sorry. I just wanted to look at your hand again. Shh. So she's eating her crunchies. Okay. I'll hold him on. I'll hold on to him. Okay, up. Come on. Okay, so she's eating her crunchies. There you go. She's eating her crunchies, and suddenly she goes, and holds out her hand to me, and I see this mark growing across her nail. And I'm like, you bit yourself. Did you bite yourself? Yeah, I think she bit her hand. She bit her finger. Trying to eat. She managed to bite herself. I know. Oh, was it this hand? I can't remember which hand it was. It was one of the hands. But anyway, yeah. Bit her own finger. She's okay though. Oh, use the sun. Yay! Good job! Yay! Yay! Good job! Yay! Alright. Sorry, guys. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to close the vlog in between sneezes. Bear with me for a minute. Sorry, if you like the vlog, hit the thumbs up button. If you want to see more, subscribe. And follow us on Twitter. Link down below. I'm going to go hydrate and go to bed. Good night.